If you need a dessert that looks bakery fancy but takes almost zero effort, these no-bake Oreo dessert cups are it. Creamy, crunchy, and perfect for parties. And hey, if you want the full written recipe, I'll put the link in the first pinned comment and on nobakedessertslab.com. Here's the lineup: Oreos, softened cream cheese, powdered sugar, vanilla, a tiny pinch of salt, and whipped topping or homemade whipped cream if that's what you have. First, crush the Oreos. Go mostly fine, but leave a few bigger chunks. Those little pieces make the topping look extra good. If you want a firmer, crust-like base, stir a little melted butter into the crumbs. If you like a looser crumb layer, you can skip it. Now whip the cream cheese until it's completely smooth. This step is the difference between silky filling and little lumps that never go away. Add the powdered sugar, vanilla, and a tiny pinch of salt. The salt sounds small, but it makes the Oreo flavor pop. Fold in the whipped topping gently. You're keeping that filling light and fluffy, so don't overmix. For clean, pretty layers, pipe the filling. A zip-top bag works perfectly, just snip the corner. Start with Oreo crumbs in the bottom of each cup. I like an even layer, just enough crunch in every bite. Next comes the creamy layer. Pipe it right on top, then lightly tap the cup to settle everything into clean lines. If your cups are tall enough, repeat the layers. This is what gives you that bakery-style look. Now chill them. 2 hours is the minimum, but overnight is even better. Everything sets up thick and scoopable. Right before serving, top with the whipped cream and Oreo crumbles. That last-minute topping keeps the texture perfect. These are the ultimate grab-and-go party dessert. No slicing, no plates, no mess, just creamy cookies and cream goodness. Want to switch it up? Try mint Oreos with a tiny drop of peppermint. Or add peanut butter to the filling and drizzle a little chocolate on top. That's it, easy. No big Oreo dessert cups that always disappear fast. For the full recipe, tips, and make-ahead notes, check the first pinned comment or head to nobakedessertslab.com.